Tired of drowning in data? Let's slice and dice it like a pro by creating custom filters in Looker Studio. First, open your Looker Studio report, select the chart or table you want to filter. Remember, filters apply at the chart level, so choose wisely. Now, look for the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. Scroll down until you see the Add a Filter section and click Add a Filter. A window will pop up. This is where the magic happens. Give your filter a descriptive name, something that will help you remember what it does. Choose whether you want to include specific data or exclude unwanted data. This is the foundation of your filter's logic. Next, select the field you want to filter by. This could be anything from a product category to a date range. The field you choose determines the data we'll be filtering. Now, pick your condition. This specifies how you want to filter. Equals will show only exact matches. Contains will find any data with your specified text. Greater than is perfect for numerical data. Finally, enter the value you want to filter by. For example, if you're filtering by country and using the equals condition, you would type USA. Want to get even more specific? Click O or AND to add multiple conditions to your filter. O or will include results that match any of the conditions, while AND requires results to match all conditions. And there you have it. Your custom filter is now live, transforming your raw data into actionable insights. Experiment with different filter types and conditions to truly master your data analysis.